is better to be single and happy than married and miserable. It is better to be single and happy than married and miserable any day of the week.
Right.
I'm going to tell you that for real. That's real talk. If you don't like the way that you look, it has more to do with how you feel about yourself internally than how you feel about yourself externally.
Right.
Because a lot of times people have said things to you coming up that you internalized and you took it as truth. So now that you're older, you take those falsities, right, that other people have put on you, and you take them for truth, and now you feel lesser self-value.
Wow.
Don't do that. We got to work on that, right? And this happens a lot with women. And it does happen with men as well.
Sure.
A lot of men are taught from an early age to push down their emotions, right? Make money because you'll have a family to take care of later on. So internally, their internal value is based on not feeling and making money. And that brings about their self-worth. It's quite a shame. You have to have both. Yes. You have to have a balance.
Yes, you do. And here's the thing, people. Here's a little secret I'm gonna let you guys know about. All men are emotional. We just express it differently. Most men express it in anger. Anger is an emotion.
It is.
We're taught to suppress the sensitive side of emotion because the way it will appear, but how it manifests itself as anger because we suppressed it.
And it's a shame, right? Because it's two switches, happy and mad.
And mad.
I mean, that's really what I got from a lot of men coming up. They were taught to suppress their emotions, and even though they still do have them,
yes,
they are expressed two ways: happy or mad.
That's it. That's it.
You know what I'm saying? And you got to do better. Okay? There's a little thing called emotional intelligence.
Yes.
Get some. And I'm not trying to say it in a mean way, and I'm not trying to be judgmental at all. I don't do judgment. That ain't me. Okay? What I am doing is telling you that is a problem.
Yes, it is.
That is an issue that you must resolve. Because if you plan on having happy relationships, men, you have to learn how to feel as well. Women have to learn how to be more practical in their approach because they are. They express it with feelings more so than men. Right? And men have to be more feeling, okay, in order to be able to relate to the woman. And if you guys both meet each other in the middle with that, then you will have an excellent relationship.
Facts. I think that's great. It's a great place to leave it as well. I think, guys, if there was anything you heard, you like, you dislike, whatever it was, drop it in the comments box below. We want to hear from you.
Yes, indeed. And please, don't forget to like.
And share.
And please, whatever you do, whatsoever you do, don't forget to subscribe.
That's right.
Until next time, peace.